Hey Scout Leaders, in this video we're exploring the different ways that you can roll your necker. There are 1,000,001 ways, and I've picked out some really different ones that I've never seen from around the world. But first, let me show you how I do mine. So pretty standard. Here's another one from the UK. So more or less exactly how I do mine. And that's the only way I've ever seen it been rolled before. Necker, just flick, 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 flick. But before we dive into how they do it around the world, my name's Mark, your online scout leader, helping you become the best scout leader that you can be. With over 15 years of experience, I've probably seen everything that you can imagine. And I'm going to try and share my knowledge with you. But you can do that by subscribing to Big Man of the Woods, liking this video and sharing it with fellow scout leaders for them to roll their necker in different ways. Right, let's see this next one. Interesting. Teeth and feet. I can honestly say I've never seen it done like this before. Talented. You can have a bad back as well. Got to be flexible, I'm guessing. Got to love a bit of yoga. Not sure I'll be able to do that. My back will be stuck. Yeah, good technique. You can roll it, but you've got to be flexible. It's not one for the all the generation scout leaders, who we can say. Right, let's go to India and see how they roll their neckers. Right, you've got to get into your personal space. I know some people don't like that. Okay, from back and then love it. Different technique, rolling it down the back of the scout. Yep. Can't say I've ever seen this technique before. They do that flick as well. A scout leader, he does that as well. Scott, proper flick. Seen that one before? I've never seen that one before. Maybe that's a technique that you've used before. Right. Here is the UK Muslim Scout Fellowship using 3 people. So 2 people hold it taut. See, there she does it. That flick as well. Oh, that is those stripes, perfect stripes, all lining up, just like my necker. Love it. Looking nice. Using that pulling it tight technique. Good one. Another technique of going from behind and then rolling it. This time she doesn't go the whole length of the spine. It's just kind of those shoulders, rolling it down. Loving that. Also loving that colors of the necker. Beautiful. Did she do the flick? Oh, no. No flick on this one. Loving that scout necker. Those colors, so lovely. And rainbow-like. Yeah. Perfect. Looking smart, young ladies. Well done. Right, now we've got 4 scout leaders. Oh, pinching it nice and tight. Oh, there's a bit of a crease in the middle. I'm not sure that's going to work. Going to get that crease down the middle, but we'll persevere. That flick is back. And that rolling technique. Yeah. Okay. Not too bad. Didn't impress me too much. Flick. Oh, he's unraveling it. It's not the flick again. Oh, they got the berries. Loving a smart berry. Right, what technique? Got 2 flipping over. Like an elastic band. Okay, that is really thin, that necker, isn't it? Really tight, thinly rolled. It's going to be crisp on this one. Oh, he's got the other guy as it keeps flipping back. Told you, like an elastic band. Nice. Is he going to do the flick? Yes. Oh, nice. Loving it. So there you go, scout leaders. How do you roll yours? Maybe you roll it like mine with just the roll, 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 roll. Or maybe you use one of those techniques that I've just shown you. Or maybe you do something completely different. If you do, I'd love to see that. Send me an email of how you roll your necker. Just the different ways that we do scouts. Hey Scallions, if you want to know why we wear a necker and why there are so many different colours of necker and not one standard one, watch this video here and explain all about the history of the necker.